Let's learn how to pronounce the T and D consonants in American English. If you're having a difficult time pronouncing the flap, here's a practice tip. Hold out the vowels that come before and after the flap. This will give your tongue enough time to prepare to move into the flap position. Then feel how quickly the tongue tip flaps against the roof of the mouth. Let's try that in a word like getting. Getting. Some dictionaries won't show you the IPA symbol for the flap, even though native speakers use it in the pronunciation. Instead, the dictionary may show you the true T or D symbols. So remember the rule. When the T or D consonant sounds come between vowels and the second vowel is unstressed, the T or D usually become the flap.